It's so funny. I don't know if you can see there's like a little cell phone, not a cell phone, like a payphone phone. It. And my mom had to pick up the. She needed to speak with whomever because the door was locked, so she picked it up, and I was just watching some of the. Oh no. Orange is the new black, so it's kind of funny because it's like those payphone type phones, and she's. Ooh, yes. And so she's trying to like get someone to open the door so she can drop something off here at the police department. And the the woman said you can come anytime, and she said I'm right outside. She tried to do this once before, and it were like took an hour, and she gave up. She's trying to drop off expired medications, and she's just waiting. But you should have seen her on that little phone. It's hilarious. Do you just pick up the phone again and say hello? Is that what you do?
I see the bin, Project Medicine.
Well, do you need to call her again? Because we're on our way to dinner. We gotta do errands, so there's 6 more hours of packing. This is one of the errands. And
Same thing that happened.
wait, so she said come anytime? Can you knock?
Like they have a records office. Is it just them coming in the wrong hour?
Maybe. You could try it later now.
So upsetting.
It's like 8:01 in the morning, and I don't know when I went to bed. Last time you saw me, I think I'll just end it wherever it ended because I was just like walking into things, and I was just like, I hit a whole new level of exhaustion. Vicky, they're here. So the moving people are here, and gotta do that. Gotta take Squeaky to the vet, where she's gonna live for the next couple of days. We're gonna be checking into a hotel. Life's crazy. They're here.
Oh boy, I gotta move the cars. I gotta move the cars. I gotta move the cars.
Again, oh. Now I'm in a dark room. If I turn the lights on, that means the fan goes on, and it goes on high, and then I get cold. So, in a weird way, it still kind of feels like we're going on like a really, really long vacation, and we're just being extra with packing because like we have people. So, as I was saying, that was very unattractive. At some point, we're checking into a hotel. If I have the energy, I'm gonna take a shower tonight because I just feel a little gross, and we don't get to the new place till Friday night, and not till like really, really late. So, Squeaky was on top of the bed, and now I think she might be under, like hiding under my mom's bed. We need to find her, put her in the carrier, take her to the vet so they can check her out, and then keep her while we're in the hotel. They'll cut her nails, they'll test medicine on her, and if she's good, they'll give her like a tranquilizer or whatever you want to call it when we go to fly. But here's the thing, I'm gonna be coughing a lot. I feel like we have to get her at 6:30 on Friday. They said we couldn't keep her like any later than that, but our flight isn't until 9 or like 9:30 at night, so we're gonna be getting her early and like going to the airport early. And I just wonder, like, how long does this medication stay in one's system? Like, for me, what I usually take when I fly, it lasts 3.5 hours and then it wears off. So, like, I just don't want anything wearing off on my cat and then her, like, being upset. So, but that's a problem for another day. Today, the movers are just gonna move stuff on a truck, and I'm gonna hang out here in the house for as long as I can and just watch some Netflix on my iPad until I guess there's no more internet. Because at some point it's going to get undone, I think, and then we'll go from there. We'll see how the day goes. My mom suggested I stay at my neighbor's, but we'll see. It is so hot and muggy outside that there's like precipitation, no condensation on the windows. And I'm chilly. I'm using my iPad to watch Netflix, and I'm keeping an eye on Squeaky. She's been locked in here with me, but then she got out, so I locked her in the bathroom, and then I brought her back in here. And then she got out again, and then she was hiding under my mom's bed. I managed to scare her into my room, locked her in there, because I have the front door open, and I don't want her escaping. And until we're ready to take her to the bed, I kind of keep a close eye on her. So they're downstairs, busy packing away, packing up the moving truck. It looks like they've done all like the artwork and like mirrors and things that were hanging on the walls. Now they're probably just doing like furniture and other things. So part of me is like, hopefully this won't be like too much longer, but then part of me is like, take your time, because I still have something to sit on. When they're done, all I'll have is the floor. So I'm gonna finish watching Netflix, have lunch. Oh no, it's 10:40. Around like 8, I got up at what, 7:45. I think around 8, between 8 and 9, I had breakfast. My mom brought me up a bagel and cream cheese and some OJ. So I'm just hanging out on this bed while I still have access to it. Just after all, we've decided to take this with us. We're gonna make, it's a day bed, so we're gonna try to make it look as much like a couch as possible, and then put it in my mom's office so there's like something for people to sit on, and then if we have company, there's at least like an extra bed. So it's just crazy times.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
So my house is just about completely empty, and it is a weird ass feeling if I do say so myself. What on earth is that? I don't know how many of you people watch Orange is the New Black, but I just finished season 6, and if any of you have seen season 6, the very last episode at the very end, I'm like, that's how I feel. I don't want to like give anything away in case no one's watched it yet, but I'm sure by now when you're watching this you will have seen it. But if you're confused or you want spoiler alerts, let me know. But this is the weirdest flippin' thing ever. I mean, get a load of this. This has never been like this. Well, maybe it was when I first moved in, but it's like empty.
What's our start? Okay, it's 2 o'clock. When we finish up here, I have to go to the office and make FedEx labels for a whole bunch of stuff that I'm shipping down instead of putting on a truck.
You need help with the vacuum?
Alright, I'm just trying to get that car down there so we can go to Florida. Go to
Mm-hmm.
Florida, that's what I think.
We're going to Florida.
Okay, so we can put a few little things in there. Let me just see, I want to see if we can take all the cardboard to a recycle.
This closet could be my confessional. Now that it's like empty and I can actually sit here. This would have been a nice little filming area. I feel like the lighting is good. But I'll create a new one. There's still some odds and ends that we need to straighten up. Like I made a mess in the bathroom. I gotta clean it. But for the most part, as you can see, the house is empty. The moving people are just finishing up, getting all their stuff, putting it on the truck. And then I think we have to go to my mom's office to like take care of some things. And gotta figure out the meaning of life. because I'm exhausted. If you can't tell. So we, dropped the cat off, and they were like expecting her yesterday, and then my mom's like, why am I getting emails about how was your check-in at the hotel that we're staying at? And they thought we were coming yesterday. I think she made reservations for one day too soon, so we have to get that sorted out. We're just now trying to figure out when the car carrier is coming, so we're not like without a car, or like we don't have someone who can give us a ride if we need one. And then my aunt invited us over for dinner, but right now I'm just like so I don't even want to eat or think about eating. I just want to cry and cry and cry. It is honestly like, I don't know how long this video is, but I want to like document my exhausted self. It is weird not having Squeaky here. Like, she's at the vet and they're gonna do everything they need to do so we can get her on an airplane, but it's like I couldn't do this without her. So it will be very stressful and maybe tricky flying with her, but I need her for this whole process. There's no way I could have like gone down with just my mom and then like however many days or weeks later have someone fly her down. So whew. She's not a happy camper at the moment. Don't blame her. Hopefully she acclimates and settles into the new place well, but I don't know. I'm just toast. Like, I just want to do what we need to do and just like go to the hotel so I can have like a bed to lay down on, maybe take a nap, or just like watch some TV or catch up on YouTube videos. What is today? It is a Wednesday. Today's when Shane and Dawson and Jeffree Star's collab thing is starting, so that'll be fun to watch. But I do have like a lot of YouTube to catch up on because I've been spending my nights watching Orange is the New Black. So, again, without trying to like spoil anything for anybody, the last episode, the very end of it, during season 6, I believe, I was just like, it's just weird. It's just weird. How many times have I said that? There's like so much I want to say, but I'm not, because it's gonna sound bizarre. And unless you've been in my shoes and lived my life, you wouldn't fully understand. So